All you need is 21 seeds to blind your enemy's eyes against your progress, marriage, liberty, financial life, everything about you. All you need is 21 seeds to blind your enemy's eyes against your progress, marriage, business, family, life, and everything about you. This is New Life with Precious. You are welcome back to my channel. I really love you all. Thank you, my long-time supporters. And for you, if you have not really subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel right now. You have a lot to gain on this channel. We are right here where we teach how to get higher spiritual protection and more favors. If you are suffering from barrenness, promise and fail, lack of liberty, lack of freedom, curses, generational problems, family curses, poverty, everything you might be suffering from, here you're going to get your solution by the power of God. So today the video is going to be about all you need is 21 seeds to blind your enemy's eyes against your progress, marriage, business, family, life, and everything about you. At the end of this video, you will have blinded your enemy's eyes against your progress, against your family, against your life. So this video is for people that are innocent, for people that are oppressed, for people that are being oppressed by witchcraft and evil forces. Okay, if this video is something that is going to be interesting to you, then I want to ask that you stick with me till the end of this video. Okay, so without taking much of your time, I want you to continue to watch this video. This video is going to be very powerful. It's going to be very spiritual. Okay, this is New Life with Precious. Okay, let's get right into the video. So if your hand is not pure, okay, if you are not innocent, please don't try this. But if you are being oppressed, if you know that you are clean, your hand is not stained with blood, okay, if you are pure, then this video is for you. All you need is 21 seeds of alligator pepper. Okay, this is alligator pepper right here. All right, so I repeat, you need 21 seeds of alligator pepper. So after opening the alligator pepper, get 21 seeds. Okay, hold them in your right palm like this. Okay, then you have to thank God Almighty. You have to thank your angels. You have to thank the gods and goddesses. You have to thank your ancestors. Okay, so make sure your hands are pure before doing this. Okay, you don't need to call the names of your enemies or those people working against your progress in life. So the gods and goddesses know your enemy. So now start praying. Okay, you have to make a serious prayer. You have to pray to blind their eyes with which they are using to monitor your life. Okay, pray to make them dumb. Okay, the mouth with which they use to say evil things against your progress, let it go dumb. Pray to cripple them. The legs with which they walk against your progress in life, let it be crippled. So when you are done with your prayers, you have to pour the 21 seeds of alligator pepper inside your mouth. Pour it inside your mouth like this. Okay, and chew. You have to chew the alligator seeds in your mouth very well. I must warn you, it is not a child's play. Okay, it's going to be very peppery because alligator pepper is very peppery. Okay, so if you are not strong, please don't bother to do this spiritual work. So let's continue to watch this video. As you chew the alligator pepper, don't swallow. Okay, or you know what you would do is you have to splash it like the you have to splash it 3 times while still saying the prayers. Okay, splash the alligator pepper from your mouth to blind your enemy's eyes, to never see you again as you go about your businesses, as you go about your life. Splash to block their mouth and hear, causing them not to hear or speak against you. Splash the alligator pepper to cripple their legs so that they don't walk faster before you, okay, or slowly behind your back. So with this, you're done. Sit and relax and see how the gods, the goddesses, your ancestors, the spirit guides, the angel will take over your case. This is not a child play. I warn you. Go right ahead and try this out. This is very, 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 very spiritual, and I promise you, you're going to testify. Okay, you're coming back to testify. This is very, very spiritual. Okay, there's been a lot of testimony about this. So that's how to blind your enemy's eyes against your marriage, against your progress, your work, your life, your business, and everything about you. So I've come to the end of the video. If you love this video already, give this video a thumbs up. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to receive my videos anytime I upload my videos. Alright, share this video with your friends and family because you might be helping somebody out. Okay, so let us help humanity. Alright, so like, comment and share my videos. Go right to my channel after watching this video. You can watch this video as many times as possible. Then you can go to my channel and watch other videos too. There are a lot of videos right there for you guys. Okay, I'm coming back with another beautiful spiritual video. So until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and I leave you in the hands of God. I love you so much. Bye bye.